The rules have changed, and what you're about to see matters. According to Paul Zane Pilzer, world economist, economic advisor to 2 U.S. presidents, author of 8 books including The Next Trillion, the health and wellness industry is the largest economic trend in world history. In the next few minutes, you're going to hear about a company and a product line that's perfectly positioned to dominate that industry. This publicly traded company has caught the attention of investors and the scientific research community worldwide. The excitement began when an ABC primetime investigative report sent shockwaves throughout the scientific community. It came on the heels of a human clinical study that says our flagship product, Protandim, reduces one of the main causes of aging, an average of 40% in 30 days. A statement that no other company in the industry can claim. As you watch the investigation that follows, we encourage you to give this your undivided attention because it can change your life. When you're done, ask yourself 2 things. 1. Who needs this information? And 2. How exciting would it be to be paid each time any of these products were purchased anywhere in the world?
You want to get an edge on turning back the clock with just a few pills? Who doesn't? Well, it's no longer science fiction, but science possibility, a potential breakthrough. As I found out firsthand, there may be a way to erase years, at least inside my body. Granted, it's down the road, but some scientists are wondering if a new pill I took might offer a very long life.
It may not look like the fountain of youth, but inside this nondescript building, I'm about to become part of an exciting experiment, a kind of guinea pig.
Dr. McCord, okay.
I'm here at the University of Colorado in Denver to meet Dr. Joe McCord, a world-renowned scientist.
This is pretty exciting stuff you're finding, huh?
It is. We're very excited about it.
His latest research could very well unravel the mystery of aging itself. And his decades of experiments may have the potential of adding years to people's lives and possibly prevent chronic diseases like cancer, diabetes, and heart disease. It all centers around this small yellow pill, and for me, it begins with a blood test.
Can we scoop? Yeah, there we go.
It wouldn't be the first time I've given blood for this company.
They want to check my levels of something called T-bars, which is a rough indicator of a person's actual age. T-bars can identify a condition known as oxidative stress, a kind of measure of the wear and tear on our bodies. Oxidative stress, like the rusting of an engine, is not a good thing.
Bad for the body.
Leading to disease.
Leading to disease and leading to malfunction, and importantly, leading to what we call aging. It is a slow progression of increasing oxidative stress. That's the main characteristic biochemically of the aging process.
The problem of aging begins with the very food we eat to give us energy. As our cells burn that food, they also release toxic chemicals. Those chemicals, you may know them as free radicals, react with all the components of our cells, literally bombarding them millions of times per second, damaging all our cells. The result? Oxidative stress, and we all have it. The body fights back with a system of defenses. It makes 2 antioxidant enzymes, catalase and SOD, whose job is to gobble up the free radicals before they can harm our cells.
So, doctor, how often do I take these?
And so, here I go. With that swallow, I've just become part of a potentially landmark scientific experiment.
Doesn't taste bad.
It's called Protandim, and tests on both mice and humans have already shown that it revs up the manufacture of those good enzymes in our bodies. More enzymes, fewer free radicals to harm us.
Right now, all we know is that this preparation decreases oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is not a disease, just like aging is not in itself a disease, but it's something that accompanies and is attached to many disease processes. So you can see the age-related.
Normally, oxidative stress, measured by those T-bars, increases with age. But in Dr. McCord's tests, taking just 1 pill of Protandim a day reversed that trend for everyone at every age, even for an 80-year-old.
They all are reduced to the level of oxidative stress that one would expect frankly, in a newborn or a very young child.
High oxidative stress is associated with more than aging. It's been linked to hundreds of illnesses.
It's at the very center of many diseases: liver disease, diabetes, emphysema, asthma. I've studied all of these: strokes, heart attacks.
Even mental disease.
Yes.
Depression?
Alzheimer's disease, depression.
Dr. James Crapo with the National Jewish Medical Center in Denver is also researching Protandim for the company. But what about my progress? After nearly 2 weeks now, it's time to get my results. Dr. McCord calculates the numbers. The result? My level of oxidative stress has declined dramatically.
45%, that's excellent.
Just look at where I fall on the graph, before and after.
Which, if extrapolated back, is the level you would see in a newborn baby.
Would you suggest I keep taking this supplement?
I would. I can't guarantee it's going to extend your life. I can't guarantee it's going to eliminate any diseases or cure any diseases.
But we do know that oxidative stress is part of those disease processes. I don't want to wait until I'm 80 years old and find out that I should have taken it.
The company that makes Protandim says its tests show the pill, made from ingredients used for centuries, is absolutely safe. But because it's being sold as a nutritional supplement and not a drug, Protandim does not need FDA approval for safety.
It's the little yellow pill that scientists say could eliminate chronic diseases and help you live well into your hundreds. Quinones has been taking Protandim for 2 weeks now and tells Extra,
I am sleeping better. I feel a lot better and also energized when I do wake up.
You know, as a patient advocate, I stumbled upon Protandim almost 3 years ago. Someone introduced me to Protandim. I just looked at the research and figured out, hey, wait a minute, I have to take 360 oranges in one day to get the same effect of one pill? Sold.
Antioxidants, okay? These are still good, right?
Oh, not only are they good, but we've breathed a whole new life into this topic. We now know that you can actually boost your own body's defenses without even just taking vitamin C by eating lots of colorful fruits and vegetables. But there's also a new supplement on the market called Protandim that is made from an extract of herbs that actually upregulates and boosts your natural manufacturing of antioxidant enzymes.
Wow.
So this is going to reduce those harmful free radicals, reduce some of that cell damage associated with disease, and this is a double thumbs up.
How do you find the energy to keep doing it night after night? We get a lot of comments. So people have been emailing me and saying they love how you look, like you're ageless. It's incredible. So
I have a secret.
What is your secret?
I have a secret formula, and it's a company called LifeVantage. They came up with a product called Protandim. Now, what causes the aging process is free radicals in our body, oxidative stress. This Protandim stuff, I've been taking it for 2 years.
We have it on the table right there.
Clinically proven to slow the aging process down. It reduces the oxidative stress by 40% in 30 days. So I tested it, and it works. And the nice thing, it's not pharmaceutical. It's real food.
I'm going to have to give it a try.
With this kind of attention from the media, how long do you think this information is going to be a secret? What you've just watched is life-changing information for those who choose to take advantage of it. TV networks, physicians, and state universities have researched Protandim and found it to be the most powerful supplement you can take to protect yourself from aging. Protandim is scientifically proven to reduce oxidative stress by an average of 40% in just 30 days, slowing the cell aging process to the level of a 20-year-old. Americans spend over $40 billion each year on antioxidants to reduce the damage caused by oxidation. Protandim is much more powerful than any antioxidant, and you have a unique opportunity to take advantage of our amazing growth. How so? LifeVantage, a publicly traded company on the NASDAQ Stock Exchange, is the sole owner of this product line and all the patents associated with Protandim. You may be wondering, why haven't I heard about this? Well, the answer is quite simple. While the product was on the shelves of GNC from 2005 until 2009, what was known about Protandim could not be explained on the bottle's label. It's not an antioxidant, and it's not a vitamin. It is an activator. Did you ever buy Protandim from GNC? After the buzz died down following the ABC investigation, not many people did. The company was wise enough to know that if they wanted different results, their marketing had to change. In May of 2009, LifeVantage pulled Protandim from the shelves of GNC, slashed the price 20%, and started to market directly to the consumer. As it turns out, that was a great decision. In just 4 years, we've grown from $3 million in annual sales to over $200 million last year. We're sharing this opportunity with people like you and me, business-minded people with a global vision for LifeVantage. To enhance our credibility and global exposure, in 2014 we became the title sponsor of Real Salt Lake, a Major League Soccer team. The future for LifeVantage is very exciting. Entrepreneurs like you are already taking advantage of this opportunity. Look at this earnings statement that the company just released. $92 million of the $208 million in revenue was paid out to people just like you. Many people working part-time as LifeVantage distributors now have choices that they would have otherwise never had. Choices like bringing a spouse home from work, or taking vacations, or maybe something as simple as buying a new car, or being debt-free for the first time in your adult life. How would an extra $1,100, $2,200, or $5,600 per month change your life? What choices would that give you? By the way, that is the income earned by people in middle ranks. Those who take this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity seriously can earn much more. Large opportunities are powered by trends, not fads. LifeVantage is being driven by trends that cannot be slowed or stopped. 80% of people believe they will not have enough money for retirement. Antioxidant sales are over $45 billion per year and growing. Health and wellness and home-based businesses are among the fastest-growing industries. 10,000 baby boomers are reaching age 65 every day in the U.S. alone. Ask yourself, who doesn't want to slow down aging, and who doesn't want more money? The question is often asked, is this a pyramid? When we ask, what do you mean by a pyramid? The response is often, it's one of those things where the person on the top makes all the money, which in effect is what we find in corporate America. There's a CEO, there's management, and then the employees, and they do all the heavy lifting, as you can see here. Most people are surprised when they realize they are currently taking part in a pyramid by being employed in industries like banking, manufacturing, and healthcare. The broken systems rarely allow you the life you deserve. One with financial freedom and time freedom. Freedom to do what you want, when you want, and how you want. Network marketing is a business model that is proven over and over again to give those that want a change in their life the opportunity to have financial and time freedom. Robert Kiyosaki, the author of the best-selling book Rich Dad, Poor Dad, calls network marketing the business of the 21st century. Many of the world's largest companies distribute their products through networks. Nearly 200,000 people join a network marketing company each week. Most likely, some of the people you know are considering one now. Some of the world's most sophisticated investors own network marketing companies. Warren Buffett is worth $58 billion, and his company, Berkshire Hathaway, acquired one in 2002. When you become a LifeVantage distributor, your startup cost is $630 for the products and training materials, as well as a professionally designed website. To ensure your success, the company offers an optional 12 months of live training for $370. That's a 50% discount if selected at the time you join. You can attend monthly, quarterly, and annual training events where the nation's top earners come together to share ideas and best practices. When you purchase a Vantage Pack, you are ready to start earning. There are 6 ways to get paid. I'll share 2. Our first goal when you enroll as a new distributor is to pay for all your startup costs. After that, you're in the black. We'll help you find 3 people who see this opportunity the way you do, and you'll earn $210 on each for a total of $630. From your 4th enrollment on, you will earn $260. One of the most rewarding forms of compensation is royalties. Musicians, entertainers, and authors typically earn this type of income. They do their work once and get paid on it month after month, year after year. LifeVantage affords the ordinary person the ability to enjoy royalty income too. By sharing the LifeVantage message once, you can be compensated month after month and year after year for your past efforts. We get paid to share the LifeVantage story, and we teach others to do the same. As our network grows, our check size increases. If you can show your friends, family, and associates this video and teach them to do the same, you can make a great income with LifeVantage. Many in their first year reach the positions of Pro 4, 5, or 6. Our Pro 6s make average incomes equal to an architect or a bank manager. Our Pro 7s earn average income on the level of some physicians or attorneys without the years of education and crushing burden of student loans. It's exciting to know that you can own your own business with an overhead as low as $200 per month. The reason you were asked to watch this video is because the timing of this opportunity is ideal. Would you be excited about an opportunity to distribute typewriters, phonograph players, or pagers? No! The timing to capitalize on those products is gone. We are on the ground floor of this trend and this opportunity. Your friends don't know about LifeVantage yet. Getting started today puts you in the first 2 to 3% of the participants of a future billion-dollar company. If you see the value in our category-creating products, we welcome you as a customer. But that is not why you were asked to watch this video. We're in search of people with a business mind who can see the massive opportunity with LifeVantage and who want more time freedom, more financial freedom, and more choices for themselves and the ones they love. Call the person who invited you to watch this video and they will walk you through the process of getting started. In just a few minutes, you will be ready to start building the life you've always hoped for. Most people today have car insurance or health insurance because you never know when an accident can happen. But do you have financial insurance? You can't buy it. You have to create it. Create financial time and freedom now by starting your own business in a trillion-dollar industry that's growing every day. Let us know that you're ready and we will help you every step of the way.